Sometimes I imagine, Lord, like a little child might do, that when I hear the thunder roar, I'm listening to you. You're displaying your strength and power, reminding us this world of ours is truly in your hands. And I don't need to be afraid of things I may not understand. I imagine God can do anything. If something's broken, I will pray and he'll put it back together. I imagine God can make miracles. If I'm hurting, I will pray and soon I'll feel much better. I imagine God will make all the bad things go away. Bad men, sad eyes, bad dreams, lonely lies. I imagine from the skies for a wounded world that cries out in pain. God will open up the heavens and send the healing rain. Send the healing rain. Send the healing rain. God will open up the heavens and send the healing rain. Even though I'm not a child, even so I find myself wishing to go back there and let go of all the grown-up worries and sorrows and the questions about tomorrow, and reclaim the joy of a simple faith once again. Let's imagine God can do anything. If something's broken, we will pray and he'll put it back together. Let's imagine God can make miracles. If I am hurting, we will pray and soon we'll feel much better. Let's imagine God will make all the bad things go away. Bad men, sad eyes, bad dreams, lonely lies. Let's imagine from the skies for a wounded world that cries out in pain. God will open up the heavens and send the healing rain. Send the healing rain. Send the healing rain. God will open up the heavens and send the healing rain. Send the healing rain. Send the healing rain. God will open up the heavens and send the healing rain.